March 24 is celebrated as an International Day of Truth on the gross violations of human rights and dignity right of victims. Human rights are more often violated when people are not duly informed of them. Human right is an absolute value. It exists independent of our will and it works, it's realized as much as we deserve it. Are people aware at least of their elementary and primary rights? I think no, not much. Specifically, they must study, they must read to know at least some of their rights, to be easy for them. The problem is not much that they are not aware, but the fact to what extent they are ready to realize and fight for their rights. Awareness is important, but not essential. Important is to express the will, desire, determination and courage. The fact that we have problems in consciousness practical level demonstrated the absence of representatives of trade unions in public discussion. Workers' Rights Protection Union NGO organized a discussion in the interest of trade unions and workers. To develop jurisprudence of employees, workers, to bring it to the level when the citizen understands that he signs a working contract, what basis the contract has, which functions are expected, what must be done by him. The role of trade unions too, they must contribute to it in order not to breach the rights of the employee by the employer.
Որ նպաստի դրան, որպեսզի աշխատողների իրավունքները գործատուի կողմից չոտնահարվի.
It would be great when someone produces phobia measuring device, as phobia doesn't allow many people to live free, they are constrained in all matters. In fact, none of human rights is complete, but one must be very careful in issue of guilty search. Everybody is guilty, starting from ordinary citizens and ending with the relevant authorities that are designated to protect, to guarantee the realizations of human rights, to prevent violations.
Պաշտպանելու, երաշխավորելու մարդկանց իրավունքների իրացումները, կանխելու խախտումները.
Human rights are commonly understood as inseparable fundamental rights that are inherent to every individual, for the simple reason that he is a human. These rights are independent of age, sex, race, nationality, creed, and other status of criteria.